From the home page, first we need to press on our balance on the bottom left corner. Below your balance you can see we have two options, add cash and cash out. To transfer money to your bank account, you need to have your bank account linked with your Cash App account. If you haven't done that already, you need to go to your account up here. And now search for linked banks. Click on it. In this screen, if your account is new, you'll see the option to link your debit card. After you've done that, you'll see these other two options to link your bank account and credit card. Once you have your bank account linked, we go back to the balance screen and press on Cash Out. Let's select how much I want to transfer to my bank account. Let's say $15. Down here you can see if we make a regular transfer from Cash App to bank account, it'll take a couple of days to arrive. This option is free. Or you can pay a small fee to make an instant cash out and get your money in your bank account right away. We select the option we want, and this is the confirmation screen. In this case, the money will arrive on Tuesday. We can press on done, and that's it. I hope you found it useful.